Nwafo Cultural Festival heralds the season of scarcity. It marks the end of planting season, so definitely that as a farmer, when you have planted whatever you have in your barn, when you have planted, definitely you need to be patient. You need to wait for it to grow, to germinate and grow, so, and you see that you don't have much around your home, to eat, because you have invested. Back in the days, good old days, during the days of our forebears, our ancestors, so they have this celebration, to register officially that they are done now planting, that they are now, patiently, that they are going to now wait patiently for the harvest time to come. Okay, so they come together to celebrate it, that, the gods of the land were with them throughout the period of planting and all that, some of us call it farming, so they celebrate it, they have fun, they enjoy themselves, and that's what we do in our own time, to mark the end of planting season, and we wait. Nwafo Cultural Festival, comes with its frenzy. It comes with this frenzy, it brings people together, and in Ogbunike, you see people that you have not seen for a very long while. Those good old days, the celebration of Nwafo is quite different from what's obtainable today. Back in the days, and I think I witnessed it. We have wrestling competitions and all that. Hardly you see such going on now. We hope to bring it back. Yeah, we hope to bring it back. It's one great event, that unites the people. This one for cultural festival, Ogbunike cultural festival, it unites the people. It brings about peace. It promotes peaceful coexistence, in our community, and that's why we continue to promote it. That's why in any capacity I find myself, I continue to support it, to promote it, because it's our own cultural heritage. It's who we are. There's usually mass return. People come, and it's a cultural thing, and also tourism thing, because people come to Ogbunike to see what we have, enjoy our food, see our culture, the way we live our life, and what we have and all that, so it also spins the economy of the town Ogbunike, during Nwafo Cultural Festival. As a people, we don't joke with Nwafo Festival, and it's the biggest cultural festival in Ogbunike. Yes. Ogbunike kenemuno. Ogbunike makano. Okosime. Oye hakaluka na eme.